Mandy, just loosen up on her reins and kick her and make her go. She'll go on. These are first time riders. Go on, baby girl. You know what to do. There she goes. Look, drop your reins, baby. You doing right. Drop your reins. She'll go on. There she goes. Easy, girl. I got it. These two are first time riders and first time on the trail ride. Great. Done a great job.